This is a Dressmaker sewing machine that has been in my storage for quite a while. It is my niece's. It did not have a foot pedal, so I had to use my Wilcox & Gibbs foot pedal to make it run. After cleaning it and oiling it, I got it to where it would turn over. And now it runs pretty decently. It's a zigzag machine. Has 5 different stitch zigzag widths, I guess you would call it. 1 a straight stitch and then 5 zigzags. Then you have the stitch length knob right there. And in the center, I discovered that's the reverse. It's also got the feed dog. You can lift it or lower it. I took one of my bobbins that I had, and it actually worked because it looks like it takes the 15 style bobbin. So let's see if we can't do a little sewing on it. This is a number 3 zigzag with the stitch control knob at number 2. Now let me turn it around here. And focus maybe on the stitches. Wrong direction. That's the zigzag stitch. I've ran over a couple of them already. That's the widest zigzag stitch there. This one would be the skinniest. That's on the right. Then number 4 on the left. And then a straight stitch completely on the left. Now the thread is white here, but it started out after I cleaned it and oiled the heck out of it as that dark color right there. I'm using white thread with a yellow bottom. This is the bobbin thread underneath. That's the widest, longest zigzag there is. The only numbers on here is one that says 308, and then what I'm guessing is a serial number. No name of who made it, so I'm just making the assumption it's a Japanese model, or manufacturer I should say. It does come with a case, the full case. This is the cover for that machine. And hopefully I'll have this one out of my way and back into storage, because I have this JC Penney model here I'm going to work on next. Kind of hard to see it in the dark. And then my mom's old Singer right over here I'll be working on. Both of those have foot pedals, so I won't have to rob one from another machine.